Hello, it's the third. And in this video I'm going to be going over sum of positive, which is an 8-carry task in JavaScript. For this, you're receiving an array of numbers and you're supposed to return the sum of all the positive ones. So first you want to make a sum value where you can return all the sum. And for that you do variable sum equals to 0, because right now you just want the baseline 0. And you want to iterate over the array, and then you want to pick out all the positive ones. So for that, we need a for loop, and I'm making a variable I, and I'm setting this to 0, and I'm going to iterate for this whilst it's smaller than the array number. So it iterates through each value of the array. And in the for loop, you want to have a simple if statement where if the array is whatever the value is, so this would be I, and if that array is bigger than 0, you want to add it to the sum. Putting it to the test value, and sorry about that clicking, that thing is really annoying. I don't know how to fix it. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube or something to figure out. Okay, apparently I cannot type. Like, I swear I hit the 0 for this. Oh, and it doesn't work. Perfect. Why doesn't it work? Because I'm not returning anything, that's why. Bingo, see? And then if you do the attempt, it all works out. So just remember to actually do what's asking for you to do, and yeah, it works. Anyway, if you're interested in other programming things, I have a whole playlist on that. I also have a playlist on Code Wars for both Python and JavaScript. This is actually first JavaScript to do. And I will see you there.